Namaskar. My name is Sanjay Kumar. I am poet, story writer, novelist, and painter. I want to present my essay to you. The topic of my essay is Was Aryan Invaders? Appearance of Homo sapiens in world. It is believed that time of appearance of Homo sapiens is 1,50,000 years back. First Homo sapiens appeared in Africa. All evolutionary biologists believe that actual place of appearance of Homo sapiens is Africa. Whatever may be the place of appearance of Homo sapiens, all the human life has the same original point. Therefore, our ancestral was same. We can consider ourselves as a same member of family. Appearance of Homo sapiens in India. First human being appeared in India about 65,000 years back. It is almost the same time when first human had appeared in world. Lots of people of India is illiterate. They do not know about science. If we tell Indian people that we are Homo sapiens, then we can break caste system. If we tell Indian people about evolutionary biology, then lot of superstition and foolish thing can be destroyed. Evolutionary biology is very helpful in removal of social problem. In all the country, appearance of Homo sapiens about the same time. In early stage of evolution of human being, all human was black. But later on, according to different climate, human being has become different type of color. Development of religious thinking in human being. In the early stage of evolution of human worship nature, but later on different types of religious thinking developed in human throughout the world. In India, in Vedic period, most of people worship formless God. Many people practice idol worship. Later on, Buddhism and Jainism spread out, which do not believe in God and soul. They believe in middle path and salvation. Before the Buddhist period, Valmiki and Vedvyas developed very different type of spiritual concept. Valmiki developed concept of Maryada Purushottam, Vedvyas developed concept of Karma Yoga. About 7th century BC, Maharishi Patanjali and others developed a new kind of medical science which was a social science and spiritual science. This was a very revolutionary concept in India. This type of medical science is not developed in any other part of the world. In Middle Age, Kabir and Nanak developed knowledge-based spiritual concept. Tulsidas developed devotion of Ram, Surdas developed devotion of Krishna, and Jayasri developed concept of devotion of love. Before Buddhist period, concept of Upanishad is also developed in India, which was a new kind of development in spiritual concept. In Vedic literature, there is a very scientific spiritualism, which is not developed in any other part of the world. Vedic literature does not support casteism. Homo sapiens was the ancestral of entire humanity. We are the creation of nomad Homo sapiens. No society in world can claim that they are the not belong to Homo sapiens. No society of the world can claim that they are the original citizen of their country. Development of language in human being. In India, in Vedic period, Vedic literature is developed. All the dialects that is present in North India is developed from Sanskrit. In India, development of language started very soon. About 15,000 BC, Vedic literature is developed. This is the oldest literature of the world. Vedic concept is the oldest spiritual concept of the world. If we study Vedas, then we can find that it is very scientific spiritualism. About 6th century BC, Parnis developed very scientific grammar for Sanskrit, first time in India. In Europe, development and language has started about 18,000 BC. All the European language has developed by Greek language. If we study evolution of language, then we can see very strange result. In Africa, there is no classical language. Even today, African people speak primitive language. African people use European language for literary purpose. Areas which are very fertile, they develop great civilization. Great civilization produce classical language. In Australia and South America, tribal people speak primitive languages. In lots of parts of the world, even today, tribal people speak primitive language. Valmiki was the first poet of the world which created spiritualism through literature successfully. Actual time of Vedic civilization. Actual time of Vedic civilization is mystery. European scholars believe that time of Vedic civilization is about 1500 BC, but Indian scholars believe that the time of Vedic civilization is about 14 to 15,000 BC. Nobody can say that with surety that exact time of Vedic civilization. Before written in textual form, Vedic literature remained only from 2000 years. Taking all type of proof, Vedic literature is created about 4000 to 5000 BC. Initially there was one Ved, but later on it is divided into 4 parts by Ved Vyas. Sanskrit and European language belongs in same family. If we study different type of language, then we can see amazing result. Korean, Chinese and Japanese language is very different type of language. Arabic and Persian belong to same family. All these languages have originated with one fundamental language. Development of literature in human being. When human discovered language, then he invented literature. In India, Valmiki was first important poet which gives new meaning to the poetic arts. Literature developed conscious of human being. Valmiki also gave very much inspiration to other writers. In ancient time, writers write on religious and natural scene. Subject of literature change in every age. All the great writers give new type of writing technique to literature. In India, there is a very long tradition of literature. In ancient time, art of drama and poetry reached on extreme condition. In modern time, prose has made very important significance in literature. Novel and story has achieved very important place in literature. To create great literature, hard work is necessary. Without hard work, we cannot create great literature. Jyotish is foolishness. Vedic literature does not support Jyotish, Tantra and Mantra. Development of music in human being. Human invented music for the purpose of entertainment, but later on music has attained classical form. In Vedic literature, there was Samved, which belongs to spiritual music. In India, it was first time that human developed spiritual conscious from music. In Samved, it was first time in human history that music and poetry used for purpose to develop spiritual conscious. All the folk music that is present in India, it was started by Samved. Classical music also based on Samved. Indian music is melodious and European music is based on harmonics. European music is based on Greek music. When we hear beautiful music, then we feel extraordinary experience. Without music, our life becomes useless. When music combined with poetry, then it gives very excellent feeling. To create beautiful music, hard work is necessary. Development of science and mathematics in human. In Vedic literature, we can see that there is a very scientific temperament at every word. In Greece, in ancient time, there was a great development of science and mathematics. In India, Vedic and Upanishad literature is full of scientific temperament. Charak and Susrutu and other Ayurvedic physicians given very much contribution to medical science. At present time, science made great progress. Before independence, people of India was illiterate. Therefore, most of Indian society was full of ignorance. After independence, there is a very little development in every field. Therefore, ignorance is not removed from Indian society. Most of people is still illiterate and ignorant. Today, they do not know about science. Therefore, casteism is not removed from Indian society. Due to lack of science, there is a lot of problem in every field in India. In ancient times, yoga science was developed in India. This was a new kind of medical science. This science was very cheap, very effective and very revolutionary. This was medical science, spiritual science and social science. Yoga science is a ocean. In Middle Age, this science became extinct, but in modern time, it has again become very significant. In ancient time, there was a great development in field of mathematics. Aryabhatta, Bhaskar, Brahmagupta given very important contribution in the field of mathematics. Ayurvedic science is the oldest medical science of the world. It is a boon to entire humanity. In this medical science, there is no side effect. This medical science is very cheap and very effective. Decimal number system is developed in India. This number system has revolutionized mathematics and science. Present day computer science is based on this number system. Decimal number system is boon to the entire humanity. We can see that source of origin of mathematics and science is in Vedic literature. Vedic Sanskrit was a standard language. It was not a language of common people. But now anybody who knows Hindi, he can understand Vedic literature without any difficulty. Relation of Aryan to Iran. In Vedic literature there is a mention of Iranian rival. What is the meaning of this? Some foolish person developed the theory of Aryan invader from this fact. It may be possible that Vedic civilization may be exported from India to Iran. If we suppose that Aryan came from the Iran, the only possibility is that they came as a small group, as a nomad, not as a invaders. Vedic civilization is developed in India. It is completely Indian civilization. Proof from genetics. If we do genetic study, we can analyze Indian people in depth. Then we can see very strange thing. In India, some people are black and some people are white. From this fact, some ridiculous person developed theory that white people are Aryan and black people are Dravidian. But in every caste, some people are white and some people are black. In early stage of evolution of Homo sapiens, all person was black. But later on, according to different type of climate, different type of human being evolved. Misunderstanding of foolish historian and ridiculous Marxist. British people developed the theory of Aryan invasion. Lot of educated people in India also accepted this theory. But this theory of invention of Aryan is completely wrong. In India, Indian Marxists are completely wrong. They do not consider India as a one nation. They supported partition of India and they supported Chinese invention. They made coalition with Muslim League. Indian Marxists supported Aryan invasion theory. Indian Marxists believe in very wrong concept. By the scientific analysis, it has been disproved that Aryan was invasion. All the Vedic literature is written in poetic form. Painting and sculpture are the visual arts. Painting and sculpture are the poem of visual form. Painting is the poem of lines and colors. Poetry and painting are interrelated things. To create great art, hard work is necessary. Without hard work, we cannot produce great art. In Vedic literature, we can see that origin of source of literature, art, music and science. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Namaskar.